Here we're looking to sketch the curve described by the equation y equals x squared minus 3x. So we'll tackle this by getting a few points of interest which will enable us to sketch the curve. So the first point we might get there is setting x to 0. So when x is 0, what will y be on our curve? Well, when x is 0, y will equal 0. So 0, 0 is a point on our curve, and it's also where the curve cuts or intercepts the y-axis. Next up, we'll set y equal to 0. So we'll be finding points on our values of x for when y is equal to 0. In other words, we'll get the roots of the curve. We'll be finding out where the curve cuts the x-axis. And these 2 points come out at 0, 0, which was the point we got earlier, and 3, 0. So these are the 2 points where our curve intercepts the x-axis. So far we have these 2 points, and now it would be nice to have a local maximum or a local minimum point, otherwise known as a turning point on the curve. So if we differentiate our function, we get 2x minus 3 for the first derivative, set this equal to 0, and this will give us an x value of 3 over 2, or 1.5, and this value of x corresponds with our turning point. So if we put this value of x back into our original curve equation, we'll get the y value on our curve when x equals 3 over 2. So subbing in 3 over 2 for x into our curve, and tidying up using the calculator in this case, we get a y value of minus 9 over 4. So the turning point is x value is 3 over 2 and our y value is minus 9 over 4. Now we need to know if this is a local maximum or a local minimum turning point. And one way of doing this is differentiating again. So we get our first derivative and differentiate again to get d2y dx squared. And when we differentiate that, we'll get 2. And because 2 is greater than 0, this indicates that our point is a local minimum. So now we know that our curve forms a shape roughly like a smiley face. So we have 3 points, with two roots and a local minimum. So sketching our curve, it doesn't need to be very accurate. We just need to kind of transfer or show that we know what we're doing here. 0, 0 is 1 point, 3, 0 is another, and the minimum point is at 1.5 and minus 9 over 4 on the y-axis. And that's our sketch.